Today, we have some exciting news from Huawei. They've just unveiled their latest flagship series, the Huawei Pura 70 series, and it's packed with some incredible features. So let's dive right in. First off, Huawei has rebranded its P series as the Pura series, and it kicks off with the Pura 70 lineup, which includes 4 amazing models: the Huawei Pura 70, Pura 70 Pro, Pura 70 Pro Plus, and Pura 70 Ultra. Let's talk about the specifications of the Pura 70 and Pura 70 Pro. The Pura 70 Pro series features a stunning 6.8-inch OLED display with a resolution of 2844 x 1260. This display supports an 1120Hz variable refresh rate, 1440Hz high-frequency PWM dimming, and boasts a peak brightness of 2500 nits. Plus, it's protected by second-generation Cuban glass, which increases drop resistance by 100%. Meanwhile, the Pura 70 comes with a slightly smaller 6.6-inch display with a resolution of 2760 x 1256. It also features second-generation Cuban glass for added protection. Under the hood, the Pura 70 Pro is powered by the Kirin 910 chip, a successor to the Kirin 9000. On the other hand, the Pura 70 reportedly features an underclocked version of the Kirin 9000 known as the Kirin 9000 S1. Both models run on HarmonyOS 4.2, ensuring smooth and efficient performance. The new Kirin 910 chipset features a powerful configuration, including 2 large cores clocked at 2.30 GHz, 6 medium cores at 2.18 GHz, and 4 small cores at 1.55 GHz, delivering exceptional speed and responsiveness. When it comes to battery life, both the Pura 70 Pro and Pura 70 are equipped with high-capacity batteries. The Pura 70 Pro packs a massive 5050 mAh battery, while the Pura 70 features a slightly smaller 4900 mAh battery. Plus, with 100-watt wired charging and 80-watt wireless charging, topping up your device is faster than ever. Now let's talk about the cameras. The main camera on the Pura 70 Pro is a beast with 50 megapixels and an adjustable aperture for better low-light performance. Plus, it features a dedicated macro camera for stunning close-up shots with up to 35 times magnification. Additionally, the Pura 70 Pro's wide-angle camera allows you to capture breathtaking panoramic shots with ease. So where can you get your hands on these incredible devices? The Huawei Pura 70 series is $155. And there you have it, folks. The Huawei Pura 70 series is an absolute powerhouse, offering top-of-the-line features and performance. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting tech content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Until next time, peace out.